Hi, I'm SeanO with Robot Coupe Pro. We've been taking you through the Robot Coupe R30 vertical cutter mixer today. We've done a few things with it, but something else I want to show you it's important. It's one of the few maintenance things that you might have to worry about and take care of yourself, and that is replacing the drive shaft seals. So it's a very powerful machine, and it spins very quickly, so you do have wear on the seals over time. It's something that's recommended to replace every 6 months to a year, and it's pretty simple, so we're going to take you through it. So here's what the seals look like for the Robot Coupe R30. The other VCMs and sizes are very similar. There's a main top seal and then the 3 drive shaft seals. We're going to show you how to take the machine apart and how to put those in. First thing is we've got to disassemble the machine. So we're going to come over here, open the lid. We're going to remove the blade set. We're going to take the bowl off. Once again, rotates clockwise, comes right off. The seals we're talking about are all right here. So that's the top seal, and the drive shaft seals are right in there. So we're going to show you how to disassemble this and do the seal. Okay, so we're here at the machine, and we're going to disassemble this and change the seals. So the first thing is you need to remove the top seal. It's pretty simple. It's a thin screwdriver. You just stick down in the edge underneath it and press it up out of there. There's nothing to it. It's a press fit. It's very simple. You can't hurt it. So we take that seal off, and that exposes the large Allen head bolts that holds the hub assembly on. We've removed that top seal. Now we remove these 3 8mm hex bolts that are in the machine. Loosened up all the bolts. You can grab that hub assembly just like that. Pull that right off the top of the machine. Let's go back to the table. Those 3 bolts and washers come out of the top like that. Now this hub holds those seals right here, and there they are right there. There's the white one on top, that's that seal. And in the middle, let's see if you get in there and see that. You see the 2 other seals are stacked up on top of each other right there, the black one and this kind of off maroon kind of red one. There's 2 of them together. They're held in by this plate right here and those 3 little Allen screws. So you remove those screws, and then those seals all come out the back there, and you press fit them back in and replace that plate. Now I'm going to leave those in there right now because you don't want to remove them if they're in good shape, because you'd have to replace them. So I don't have a ton of hours on this machine, so we're going to leave those seals because they're good for another few months at least. But that's how you replace the seals in your machine. Very simple thing. It's something that you do yourself. It's the only piece of maintenance that you really ever have to do other than clean the machine and keep it in good shape. Okay, we've got our seals back in our hub. We're ready to put the machine back together. We're going to go back to the machine and do that. So we've got our 3 bolts, we've got the hub, 1 note on the bottom of your hub. There's a black O-ring, goes around the circumference of that. You want to leave that in there. We put a little grease on there for reassembly. We're going to go back here, and you place your hub back down over your drive shaft and just line it up with the bolt holes. That's all there is to it. We're going to put those back in there. Then we're going to tighten those up. Just snug again. Last, top seal goes back on. It's just press fit. It's very simple to put back in. Just press it back into place, nice and flush all the way around. That's all there is to it. We go back, we've got our bowl. Again, counterclockwise in, locking in, lip to the front, arrows lining up. We get our blade set. Put that back in. Now a note here, take a look in here. I put that blade in there, but if you look, you'll notice it's not all the way to the bottom of the bowl. If we rotate that a little more, it drops all the way in. Your blade set needs to be all the way down in your bowl for the machine to run. It wouldn't be good to try and run it when that blade's still up and not fully seated on the shaft. So your blade set's in, ready to go, lid back down, latched, look at the front, we've got green lights, we're ready to roll. Well, there you have it. That's the Robot Coupe R30 VCM. For this and a lot more information, remember to tune into the Rest Equip Pro channel, because we want to bring you the very best, because I'm SeanO, the Rest Equip Pro.